Morning, everyone. Quick video today. I want to start by congratulating our Spartan of the Year, Coach Steve Langevin, who was nominated by a number of staff members, primarily for his dedication to Pembroke Academy and his work as our sub-coordinator last year. As you can imagine, that was a very challenging role. And our two Teachers of the Year, Lindsay Fontaine and Lindsay Mullen, who are our two co-advisors for Student Senate. Student Senate runs a lot of different activities throughout the course of the year, most notably Winter Carnival. And the Lindsays, as we refer to them, strike a really good balance of providing Student Senate with the support they need, but also allowing them to really take ownership of the events and put their own personal stamp on it. So incredibly proud of that program and what Student Senate does for the Pembroke Academy community. I want to share, there will be a one call now that goes out later today talking about junior privileges. You may remember that last year for second semester we opened up senior privileges to juniors for second semester, allowing juniors who have open campus to be able to leave during the middle of the day. We had a Pembroke Academy leadership team meeting yesterday and voted to extend that for this year as well. So any juniors who have open campus will be allowed to leave if they get the form signed. There's a link to that form and all of that in that One Call Now email that will go out this afternoon. We will not have school next Tuesday because it is an election day. That means that Monday will be a green day, followed by Wednesday being a white day, then Thursday's a green day, Friday's a white day. So, we obviously have a lot of community members who access our building for voting, and that's a good thing, but we cannot run a normal school day while we're also accommodating voting. So, no school next Tuesday, September 13th. Our open house will be Thursday, September 15th from 5:30 to 7. It's an open format, so come when you can and meet some of your students' teachers. Please remember that if you want to have more in-depth conversations about your student, try to schedule a meeting to do that and not do that during open house. On September 21st, there will be a college planning night for seniors. There was information that went out in a One Call Now yesterday regarding that, so access that for more details. Student ID photos will be taken on September 29th with makeups on November 2nd. And there's a link to the start of the year schedule, which will kind of give you a rundown of all the green and white days and all of that. So that's it for now. We had a very smooth start to our year. Really pleased with how that went, and it's really great to see everyone again and to have our classrooms and our hallways full of students, and looking forward to a great year. All right, go PA and have a great day.